Welcome to Dev Basics with AI. This video provides a practical roadmap, moving you from foundational coding skills to building production-grade autonomous systems by 2026. The AI engineer is the head chef of tech. While ML engineers create the models, AI engineers design the full system experience. Their core role is building production systems that solve real business problems using existing complex models. The opportunity in 2026 is massive. We're seeing 25% market growth and a 40% skill gap in the workforce. This translates to high compensation, with median pay at $180,000 and senior roles reaching over $1 million. Phase 1 focuses on foundations in Python, the industry standard for AI. Move beyond basic scripting and learn production-ready skills, such as handling APIs, parsing JSON, managing errors, and writing modular functions. Mastering version control with Git and GitHub is essential. Git allows you to checkpoint your work, while GitHub acts as your public portfolio and enables seamless collaboration with teammates. Let's define the AI landscape. Artificial intelligence is the broad goal of human-like intelligence. Machine learning is the subset focused on data-driven learning. Deep learning uses neural networks to handle complex, unstructured patterns. Phase 2 is LLM integration, the brains of modern applications. Instead of training expensive models, we integrate existing large language models via APIs. We send an input, the API processes the prompt, and we receive an intelligent output. Prompt engineering is about achieving consistent, reliable results. We use the TCREI framework, defining the task, providing context, adding references, then evaluating and iterating the prompt. Advanced prompting techniques include chain of thought, which encourages the model to show its work to reduce hallucinations. Few-shot prompting provides examples of reasoning steps to guide the AI to the correct output. Model costs are crucial. A token is the basic unit of cost. You must structure prompts to be concise and manage your token budget to optimize costs, or you will pay more. Embrace open source with Hugging Face, often called the GitHub of AI. It offers millions of free models, allowing you to avoid vendor lock-in. You can use the Python Transformers library to run models locally, giving you control over data and privacy. Phase 3 covers production systems using frameworks like Langchain. Real AI systems chain together models, memory, and tools to create intelligent pipelines, such as reading an email, checking a database, and drafting a response. LLMs trained on public data don't know your private information. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, solves this. RAG retrieves relevant facts from your private files and provides them as context to the model, ensuring accurate and business-specific answers. To perform RAG, we use vector databases and embeddings. Text is converted into numerical embeddings, allowing for semantic search based on meaning, rather than just keywords. It's like finding a book by describing its vibe. AI agents are action-oriented, going beyond simple chat. They perform actions like calling APIs or updating records. Agents introduce autonomy by planning, executing, and evaluating their own tasks to achieve a user's goal. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, is a standard layer ensuring AI agents interact safely and securely with external systems. It offers plug-and-play connections, eliminating the need for custom connectors, and including built-in permissions and audit logs. LLMops brings AI to production. This includes monitoring to track performance and set drift alerts, cost management to optimize token consumption, and CI/CD for automated, reliable updates and deployment pipelines. Most professional AI systems live in the cloud. Learning one platform, like AWS or Azure, provides a significant advantage. The core concepts are highly transferable, making this a requirement for senior roles. Don't ignore statistical machine learning. Models like linear regression are vital. While LLMs are a sledgehammer, Statistical models are lightweight, interpretable, and cheaper. Sometimes, a wrench is all you need. The Advanced RAG 6-layer framework details a multi-layered approach to sophisticated retrieval systems. Key functions include data ingestion, hybrid retrieval, compute, and the agentic pipeline. Context engineering is key to high-performance AI. The context window is a scarce resource. You must focus on minimal sufficient context, as dumping data makes the AI slow and less intelligent. Precise context management keeps it smart. The matrix of thought, or MOT, goes beyond traditional chains and trees. It explores problems in both horizontal and vertical dimensions simultaneously, allowing for parallel exploration and reducing errors and processing time. State space models, such as Mamba, are potentially the transformer successor. They offer linear scaling, processing up to 220,000 tokens on standard hardware, far surpassing the quadratic complexity of traditional transformers. AI governance and ethics are crucial. This involves aligning AI goals with civic values and fairness, maintain human in the loop for critical decisions, and ensure audit trails for transparent logging and explanation of AI outcomes. Prototyping is a critical skill. You must fail fast to determine if a use case is solvable in days, not months. Focus on minimum viable intelligence to quickly build a working version and prove the concept to stakeholders. You must bridge the gap between client expectations and reality. Be the professional who negotiates reality against the client's ChatGPT hype to manage expectations effectively. Business domain knowledge is indispensable. For example, in healthcare, you need to understand patient data privacy. In finance, you need to know regulatory rules. In pharma, you must understand drug discovery pipelines. Phase 4 focuses on getting the job. Build a public resume by creating a portfolio website on GitHub. Show end-to-end projects, like a talk-to-your data system that generates SQL queries from user questions. Certifications, like Azure or Databricks, help bypass automated resume filters. Also, make an impact with open-source contributions. Even fixing documentation on a major repo will get you noticed by top recruiters. Remember the 80/20ths reality of AI engineering. The magic of the model is often easy. The hard part, the 80%, is the reliability, stability, and production readiness of the entire system. Continuous learning is essential to stay a hero. While models change often, fundamentals like Python, RAG, and orchestration remain stable. Follow leaders like Andrej Karpathy to stay on the cutting edge. Join the mission with Dev Basics with AI to gain hands-on experience, deep conceptual understanding, and a clear path to becoming a high-earning AI professional.